Manufacturers across Roanoke County have opened their doors to hundreds of Roanoke County students this week. Find out why. We are thrilled to join the Manufacturing Institute in celebrating National Manufacturers Day, which occurs the first Friday of every October. While it is just a day, we've been celebrating all week, taking our students into our manufacturers so they can see the real job opportunities available.
During Manufacturing Week, we're sending 7 groups of students out to 7 different manufacturers in the Roanoke Valley. And those students are going to be able to see the application of everything they're learning in the classroom right here at a local manufacturer. So those types of opportunities abound in the Roanoke Valley, and this is just part of the grand effort to get the word out about all the great opportunities, the career opportunities in the valley.
Every single thing that you guys see along the tour here was done by us in-house to turn this into an automotive production facility.
Originally from the Cave Spring area, graduated from Cave Spring High School, eventually made my way to New River Community College, and now I'm here at Mack Trucks. We're obviously very excited to have these folks here today, from the Roanoke County schools. Definitely really cool to have them in here, seeing everything that we're doing every day, and maybe seeing some future employees here.
We're creating new products and building the bioeconomy.
Manufacturing is not just like swinging a hammer and putting things in and off a factory line. Really, we're trying to build competency in employees.
It's actually interesting to go somewhere and see all the different roles, what people are doing in an actual manufacturing environment, and some of the stuff that I'm learning in school kind of applies.
Then they send it down to the weld pit, and then that's where they'll go ahead and weld it together.
We've been involved a lot with Roanoke County and the new CTE school. We're actually supplying material to the school. So it's great to see the kids here. Again, the workforce development's doing a great job trying to promote opportunities for kids. We give people an opportunity to earn a really good living.
We're hearing from business and industry that they are in need of a skilled workforce, and our students need to know about these awesome opportunities here in the Roanoke Valley. And in conjunction with Roanoke County Economic Development and the Greater Roanoke Workforce Development Board, we're able to put on these trips for a wide range of our students who are able to get out and see the opportunities in the Roanoke Valley.
To learn more about exciting opportunities in economic development, visit our website at chooseroanokecounty.com.